Hello friends, this is Rahul Chore and today I am going to make video on how to use this elliptical command in Autocad 2022. Okay, so first of all I would like to tell you that I have made single video for single command here on this the line command, polyline, circle, arc and the rectangle. Okay, so you can get the videos on Autocad and the Creo parametric, the single video for the single command and in deep, so that you can get in deep and how to use that command in the deep. Okay, so first of all just click on this center. Okay, so we are going to create the center by we are going to create this ellipse by using the specified center. Okay, so just click on the center and the system in the interface in the command prompt you can see the system is asking specify the center of the ellipse. So take anywhere on the screen, click on this. Okay, and system is asking me specify endpoint of the axis. Now the axis has been generated by the system and now it's need to specify the endpoint of the axis for the elliptical. Okay, so just observe how the ellipse is being created by this software. Okay, here you can observe 12, 13, 14 mm. Okay, so I would like to 20 mm and press the enter. Okay, so here the elliptical shape is generated. Okay, here you can see. Now system is asking me specify distance to other axis. Okay, so here you can observe 4 mm in the rectangular box. If I am moving though, so the value is changing in this. Okay, 3 mm, 4 mm in this distance. Actually this is the distance from the center of the ellipse to the other end. So I would like to put my 7 mm and press the enter. So here you can see ellipse is generated. Okay, by taking this axis distance and the center to other side, this like this. So zoom out like this and just again go to this command and here is the second command, axis and end. Click on this command. System is asking specify axis end point of the ellipse. Okay, first of all take this one is the first point and specify the other end. So this is the second point. Ellipse is generated. Now the distance to other axis. Okay, so just put over the time like this. Okay, ellipse has been generated. So and the third one is also elliptical arc. We can generate by using this command. Click on this elliptical arc. Here from here you can create elliptical shape, elliptical arc. So first of all take the first point and specify the other point. Ellipse has been generated but it needs to specify distance to other axis. Okay, it needs to define other axis like this and from here side also. Okay, and here you can observe the arc is created by the system like this. If I wanted to here you can do like this and just click. Here the system has generated the arc in the elliptical shape. So this is all about this command, different ways of using this command, and we will also cover this next command which is hatch. How to give the hatch for the closed draft element. So in the hatch command you can observe, you can see this one is the first hatch, this one is the gradient, this one is the boundary. So we'll see the first one. Just click on the hatch. Switching will change the interface or the home. You can observe. Just wait. Okay, like this. Now you can observe here are different types of hatches are there. Whatever the hatch you wanted to put, there are different types of hatches for the different purpose. Like this hatches for cement concrete, or this hatches like you can observe like a bricks. Okay, so first of all, if I will give this hatch, just click on this hatch, and then system is asking pick the internal points. Okay, so this is the internal area. System is generated. Just click. Okay, now this hatch is clear. Just zoom. You can observe which type of hatch is created by the system. Actually, the square type of, sorry, not a square. You can zoom, and then you can see system has generated angle type of hatches for the drawn object. From here you can change the different types of hatches like this. This is the concrete structure hatch. It shows the, here is the concrete area, and after that if you select this one, it shows the brick structure like this. If there are different types of there hatches, you can put as you wanted. Okay, and you can change the color from here also. Now this is the white color and by layer. Okay, so just click on by layer and just click take or put any color as you wanted. If I would like to put red color, yellow color, from here you can take the color of the hatches. Okay, and then this is all about this, and just close the hatch creation. Hatch has been created. Okay, so in this video you have understood and you will get the concept of the hatches and the drawing of the elliptical surfaces. There are different types of hatches also. You can edit from here also. Just click on the gradients. Here are different types of gradients also, like this. If I am going to take this, okay, and by clicking on there, you can generate some gradients like this. Okay, here you can observe. So this is all about this, friends. If you like this video, so please kindly subscribe to the channel, and nobody is commenting if you wanted to make the video on some other softwares and some other technical points which is related to the technical industries. So I will definitely try to make on that also. So kindly subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and thank you very much.